Now you must take it off of the wood eventually, but maybe at first, you know, you will get to where you can comfortably do 3, and then maybe 1, and then 4 is the hardest for sure. It's like somebody put a brace here and keeps your hand from moving. So you must work on 4 for a long time before you can actually get 4 to vibrato. But after you have something working up here, try coming down here. Now I've noticed with students that if they push the scroll against the wall, so that the wall is holding the scroll, that sometimes it frees up the left hand enough that it really helps when you practice vibrato. So stand against the wall with your scroll against the wall, move off of the wood, and at this point, see if you can't knock the back of your first finger into the pegs, and be watching your wrist and make sure it doesn't do anything weird. You're going to knock and make noise. Then after you're comfortable with that, go to second position if you can, or just a little higher up the neck, and slide. Can you hear the sliding noise? And then start to add hand weight or push the string down a little bit. Add weight to the finger and see if you can't do it. At that point, if it's starting to work but it's spastic, which is common, I see, you know. Okay, so then go back to this bow stroke thing where you apply weight and then have bursts. Then if you can get that to go, try it slowly. Remember, we're rolling from the note under it. That's the way I'm going to teach you. Remember, hitting the peg. You're starting from the note, hit the peg, go back up. So you're at the note, go under it, back to the note. If you decide you like to vibrato a little above the note, remember, it'll make it sound brighter. Some will call it sharp, but that's your choice, especially if you are a fan of opera. Okay, so you're going to roll under the note, back to the note. Now let's do it in bursts. Just 1 at a time. And then we'll do 2. And then 3. 4. It's not really 4, but you're sustaining longer and longer, and maybe using more bow each time. Okay? There's one last thing, and that's if you are done for the evening and you want to watch TV, hold your violin like it's a guitar, and from this angle you can really study the vibrato. I can look down and see if it's happening. You can put the hand against the wood like we did at the beginning and study it that way. Slide it again, make it narrower, narrower, add weight.